Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Car Spa Kathmandu. I'm Shastika Rana, certified detailer of Car Spa Kathmandu, Nepal. Let me first introduce you to Mr. Tarun Ahuja. He has more than a decade of experience in this detailing industry. And today he will walk us through the process of detailing a vehicle.
We have a V8 Land Cruiser. So before telling you the entire process, I would like to show you the defects that are there on the vehicle. As I can see, there are a lot of defects on the vehicle. The biggest problem that I can see in this vehicle is the palish yellowpun in the entire vehicle because due to the oxidation and the weather condition, the entire vehicle is turned yellow. As you can see it here, we just took out a part of sticker on the vehicle. The difference is this is the yellowishness and this is the white original color of the vehicle. So I can see there are a lot of swirls on the vehicle. Thousands of micro scratches on the surface of the vehicle are called swirls. This is basically formed due to improper washing and drying technique. So these also will be removed. We are also going to do anti-glare treatment on the front windshield. Anti-glare treatment is done because over a period of time, a lot of fume films are formed on the front windshield. Because of that, the glare problems develop. We are also going to do intensive interior cleaning and sanitization of the entire vehicle. Steam cleaning is also a very important part of intensive interior cleaning. Not only it helps to clean the entire vehicle, it also kills all the germs and bacteria in the vehicle. In interior cleaning, we'll do the entire process like roof, carpets, seats, dashboard, side panels, AC vents, seat belts. So every inch and corner of the vehicle will be dry cleaned.
Let me ask you a few questions regarding detailing. Why is paint refinement important before doing the coating?
There are actually a lot of defects on the surface of the paint. There are like thousands of micro scratches that are called swirls. Due to oxidation, the car becomes yellow like this car. So to remove all the defects, we need to do paint refinement and compounding on the vehicle.
Are we doing in this vehicle?
So we are doing Crystal Shield G10 graphene ceramic coating on this vehicle.
What is graphene coating?
Graphene is the latest technology of coating in the world. This is the first time that we are introducing this technology in Nepal. And it is also a Nobel Prize winner technology.
How is graphene coating different from other ceramic coatings?
Actually, graphene is made of graphite. So it is almost harder than diamond and it has got an elasticity of rubber. So it makes the surface super smooth. The hardness is almost 10H. The self-cleaning abilities of the vehicle becomes very easy. The hydrophobic conditions are amazing. It has got anti-static, the gloss level is very high and the dust repellency of the vehicle is also very good. So dry dust would repel on the vehicle.
Can we use graphene coating on windshield, trims, alloys, metals, etc.?
Graphene is actually a universal project, so it can be used in different parts of the vehicle from like windshield, glasses, chromes, rubber, alloys, so it can be used in all the parts of the vehicle.
How long will the coating last?
This coating, graphene coating G10 has got a very good lasting, so it will almost last 5 to 7 years.
We have so many lights in our studio. Can you explain the importance of lights in auto detailing studio?
Lights are actually a technical part of a detailing studio. We have to work on the surface of the vehicle, so there are a lot of defects that has to be removed. So in the lights, we can see and work closely to remove the defects. That's why we have a lot of lights in a studio.
How do we take care of the vehicle after the coating is done?
So there are 3 do's and don'ts after getting the coating done. The don'ts are, you should never wash your car with Surf, Nirma or a hair shampoo. A pH neutral car shampoo should always be used. A dirty car should never be wiped with dhoti, banyan or normal cloth, because it doesn't have that textures and it will scratch the surface. So a microfiber is highly recommended to dry dust the vehicle. And the third, the most important part of cleaning the vehicle is never wipe the dirty car with a wet cloth, as the dust will stick to the cloth and it will create micro scratches on the vehicle. So if you have to wash the vehicle, just water wash it and then wipe up with microfiber cloth.
My last question, do new vehicles require coating?
I get this question a lot of times. The answer is yes. And the simple reason, the new car will now be exposed to sunlight, UV rays, pollution, dirt and extreme weather conditions, because it will be driven on the roads. So to protect the car from all these conditions, we do coating on the vehicle.
Thank you Tarun Dai for giving us a valuable time. I believe this video has been helpful for our viewers to understand the importance of auto detailing. If you like to see such videos, please let us know in the comment section. Any feedbacks and constructive criticism will be highly appreciated. Subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, take care and stay safe and keep detailing. Thank you.